trends, as I noticed, are very flexible. They do not, the trend could have ended up doing this instead of this, okay? Hello everyone, I'm Togwan. If you're new, welcome to our trading dojo, where we turn unprofitable traders into consistently profitable traders, using the mindset of a ninja and the discipline of a professional trader. Too many times I see traders fail to follow their plan and dive in headfirst without any strategy whatsoever, and repeatedly get clapped by the market. As Shinobi traders, we try to be the best possible version of ourselves in and outside the markets. If you want to sharpen your skills as a trader and master the art of trading, subscribe now and join us in this exciting and rewarding journey. Let's get back to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Togwan. In today's video, we're going to be going over support and resistance and how I use this strategy to make consistent profitability in the markets. So I don't use, this strategy is not 100% guys. Nothing's 100% in trading. You're always going to have a lot of variables. So it's very important that you back test and you go over this strategy over and over again in your journal, okay? And see if it works for you. All right. This strategy has very high probability with low risk and high reward. So that's why I use it. All right. And let me just go over what is support and resistance. Support and resistance is an area that acts as a price floor or price ceiling. If price goes above support, we can best believe price is going to be heading into supply zone. If it gets below, it depends on what trend you're in. Okay, so it's many variables. If you're in a downtrend, if price gets up to resistance and it gets above the resistance zone, price is most likely to go into supply zone. All right. If it rejects resistance, it's going to go back to the demand zone. All right, and vice versa. So we want to look for confluences in these areas, so that many traders are going to be looking to take the same position as we are, and price is most likely going to move very quickly in our favor. All right. Hello everyone. So let's go over this trade that I made about $1,200 on GBP AUD. Okay, so as we can see, price is in an upswing. We're in an uptrend. We're making higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So as you can see, we failed to make a higher high here around 1.91255. So that was telling me that it had weakness. So as we can see, price broke this structure, had a 15-minute confirmation, and then we had extra confluence because it made a lower low. Okay, so the first thing we saw was a lower high, and then we had a break of trend, break of structure, and then we made a lower low where you see my arrow right here. Okay, so obviously I didn't take this trade, but I saw this position as soon as you seen I saw this position right around here. Okay, and I saw that price came back and retested this trend line. We tested this support zone right here, and I knew that, hey, price had a high probability of going to the downside because we already broke the main structure on the higher time frames. Okay, so as we come back to the support, where you see my green line is, that's where I have my stop loss, and my entry was around this blue area, 1.90656. All right, so we came up, came back down, we made a lower high, so that was telling me we had weakness, and I had confirmation when we broke that when we broke the trend structure on the 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay, and I had a tight stop loss, and I rolled this baby all the way down. My take profit was around this demand zone right here, and yes, I could have got some more by holding it, but we never want to be greedy, guys. We always want to take profit. You can never go broke taking profit, okay? So make sure that you guys are always learning how to find structure in the market and finding ways to use support and resistance to be able to better understand your trades and execute in the right fashion, okay? Because half the time you guys just get in because of a trend break, and I'm like, guys, you gotta stop doing that, because trends, as I noticed, are very flexible. They do not, the trend could have ended up doing this instead of this, okay? I don't like using trends in the first place. I just use this because I know you guys are used to trend lines, but you gotta add support and resistance if you want to use trend lines. Trend lines on themselves do not work. Always look for support and resistance while using your trend lines. Okay, areas of confluence, areas where most likely price is going to go in the other direction because you have other confluences aligning, which is price action, candle wicks. Um, you have bearish or momentum candles. Anything of the sort that shows you weakness at those area of confluence, you best believe there's going to be other traders looking to short with you, and that's just going to have a high probability of going in your favor because all the confluences are adding up together, and you're riding the trend with high probability. All right, so that's the end of the video, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me if you like these type of videos. I can definitely make more of them, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.